If you run AI agents, MCP tools, Kubernetes automation, Langroid, Crawl4AI, or an LLM proxy, patch now. Today's briefing covers 4 recent NVD entries where AI tooling meets real infrastructure risk: leaked Kubernetes tokens, LLM-driven database damage, server-side request forgery, and API key bypass. No exploit steps here, only what is affected and what defenders should do. First, CVE-2026-61459 in MCP Server Kubernetes before version 3.9.0. NVD rates it critical, CVSS 9.8. The issue is argument injection in structured kubectl tools. In plain English, unsafe parameter handling could let an attacker redirect kubectl commands toward an attacker-controlled API server. The serious part is credential exposure. The operator-bearer token could be sent externally, which can become full cluster compromise. If your team connected an MCP server to Kubernetes, upgrade to 3.9.0 or later, rotate exposed tokens if you suspect abuse, and make sure service accounts have the smallest possible permissions. Second, CVE-2026-55615 in Langroid before 0.65.5. This one is also critical, CVSS 9.2. The vulnerable Neo4j chat agent passed LLM-generated cipher queries directly to the Neo4j driver without a strong statement allow list. Because prompts and retrieved content can influence agent output, the impact is not theoretical. An attacker who can shape the prompt could read or destroy graph data. Update Langroid, restrict Neo4j credentials, separate read-only and write-capable agents, and log database actions created by AI workflows. Third, CVE 2026-56261 in Crawl4AI before 0.8.7, rated high at CVSS 8.6. The Docker API server accepted webhook URLs for crawl and LLM jobs without adequate destination validation. That creates server-side request forgery risk against internal addresses, Docker networks, or cloud metadata services. Patch to 0.8.7 or later, but also add defense and depth, deny metadata IPs, block private ranges where callbacks are not required, and monitor unexpected egress from crawler containers. Fourth, CVE 2026-55615 in 9 router before 0.5.2, rated high at CVSS 8.2. 9 router is an AI router and token saver. NVD says it trusted a client-controlled host header when deciding whether an LLM proxy request was local. That could let unauthenticated remote requests bypass API key checks and use stored upstream provider credentials. Update to 0.5.2, verify reverse proxy settings, reject untrusted host headers, and review provider billing or usage logs for anomalies. The pattern is clear. AI infrastructure often has direct access to clusters, databases, internal networks, and paid model credentials. Treat agents like privileged automation, not like chat widgets. Patch quickly, reduce permissions, validate destinations, keep audit logs, rotate secrets after suspicious exposure, and put egress controls around tools that can call the network.